everyone, it's Todd here from Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Join Dave and I today as we share how to make shrimp salad rolls and homemade potato chips, only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Fox Hallow Fam, I'm Todd.
And I'm Dave.
And welcome to Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. Well, as I said top of the show, we're making shrimp salad rolls and homemade potato chips. Dave, why don't you tell them a little about what we're doing?
Okay, we're making, first of all, potato chips from scratch using russet potatoes. And we're going to slice them and fry them up, and they're going to be great.
Oh, sounds really, really good. And then what are you doing?
And then I'm going to make shrimp salad and put it on a sandwich. It's fantastic. You guys are going to love it.
So if you're ready,
then let's have some fun.
Alright guys, let's go ahead and kick things off with a bang here. So, we're going to go ahead and get ready and make our potato chips. I got 4 nice sized potatoes here, and finally we got a vegetable peeler. We all know what happened last time I tried to peel vegetables, and we're just going to go ahead and peel our potatoes here. How am I looking so far, Dave?
It's looking good.
Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and peel these, and then I believe we're going to get our trusty mandolin out and slice some potatoes down.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, next step here is we're going to use our mandolin here. Mandarin, whatever you want to call it. And you may have to adjust it here a little bit just to get the right size. And we're just going to go back. Well, we're barely even scratching the surface here.
Okay, so it's probably too small.
But yeah, we're going to just go ahead and adjust these, and then we'll show you what they look like whenever we're done here.
Yep.
Alright guys, it's been a half hour and we've went ahead and drained the water off our chip slices here. I'm just going to go ahead and lay these out on some paper towels here. No particular order or rhyme or reason, so. You think that's good there?
Patting them dry.
Okay.
Another layer of paper towels.
Yeah, I think we do this trick with a lot of our recipes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Well, I think we did this with the nudie, with the ravioli.
Ravioli, anything with ricotta in it, you have to drain the ricotta like this. There's some things you have to drain. Okay.
Looking good here?
Looking good.
Okay. So, I think we got a good bit here. And we're just going to put it in our bowl here.
Okay.
And do the same process over again.
Alrighty.
Alright, let's go ahead and do it. Alright guys, we got our deep fryer going here. So what we're going to do is take our slice of potato. Just kind of drop them in our oil. Here for one at a time. And just kind of cook these off in small batches. It might take here a little bit. Depending on how thin we got these cut and everything else. So just gonna drop them in the deep fryer and then drop them on some paper towels then, okay? Then I think we are going to add a little salt to these then.
Oh yes.
But if you have any sort of certain seasoning you like, go ahead and go with that too. So,
Okay.
alright, let's go ahead and do it.
Now that our chips are done, we're going to move on to our sandwiches. I have about 1.5 pounds, 24 ounces of cooked shrimp here that's been in my refrigerator. And what we're going to do is chop it up into smaller chunks. We don't want it to be real fine. We just want to chop it up into smaller chunks to make a sandwich out of. And I'll do this a little bit at a time here till I have some chunks. Okay, and then we'll do that with the rest of my 1.5 pounds of shrimp. The next thing I'm going to do is take 1 or 2 stalks of celery here and cut the ends off. And we're going to chop these up same way into finer chunks, maybe 1/4-inch chunks or something, so that they'll fit in the sandwich, in our salad. We want it chopped up into finer pieces. We don't want a big chunk of celery in our salad. Just want the flavor to come out. There, and I think we got it. So we're going to set this aside also. Next, I need 3 tablespoons of fresh dill chopped up. I've got some dill here that I got that's fresh, and we are going to chop it up. Get rid of the stems. That smells good. And put this in a little container here. I need about 3 tablespoons, which should be about these sprigs that I have. Those should be about 3 tablespoons. And we'll save some for a garnish on the sandwiches we're making. I think that's plenty to use in our salad. We'll just go ahead with that. Next, I'm going to need about 1.5 tablespoons of freshly chopped chives. I happen to have a bunch here. And we're going to chop these up really fine. Smell that too. Smells like little green onions, which is basically what they are. I think that's about it, and then we move on. Okay, so here in our big bowl, to give ourselves plenty of room, I'm going to put in 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. You can always add more later if you think you need it, but 3/4 cup is what we're going to start with. To that, we're going to add our celery. Most of the dill. We'll save some for garnish later. The chives that we made. Three-quarters teaspoon of salt. And 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And we are just going to mix this all together to make our dressing for our salad. Okay. Now that that's all mixed together, we're going to add 1.5 pounds of the shrimp that we just cut up. Chopped it up into smaller pieces. And we're just going to mix this all in. And that is ready to go. You may want to chill it for like half an hour in the refrigerator, just to get all the flavors together, but otherwise that is ready to go. Okay, to make a sandwich out of this, we're going to start with a small sub roll. You can also use a hot dog roll, whatever you want. Depends on how much you want to put in it. I'm going to spread some mayo on the inside of this. in this sub roll, just on the inside. It's not spreading as nicely as I would like, but that's okay. You get the idea. Once I've done that, I'm going to take some lettuce leaves and just sort of line this sub roll with the lettuce. And then take some of our shrimp salad that we made and spoon it right in there. Right inside that lettuce. And there you have it. Okay, well now for the best part, the taste test. I'm going to try to pick up this sandwich here. It's really full. Get myself a bite. That is absolutely delicious. Then we're going to try the potato chips here. They are crisp and just a little bit salty. You guys are going to love this.
Wrapping up today, we want to thank you again for joining us and encourage you to check out our friends and support channels listed in the description below. But before we go, always remember, it's good times and good food, only on Baking with Fox Hallow Kitchen. We'll see y'all soon. If you like this video or any of our other videos,
be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and stay tuned for future shows.